In healthcare, every moment counts. Whether it's moving patient beds, treatment chairs, or medical equipment, safety and efficiency are essential. Introducing Fallshaw's Trinity EBC, Smart Electronic Braking Castors, designed to enhance patient transport and equipment mobility. Installed in line or at 90 degrees to the equipment's frame, the pedal remains in a fixed position, so it is always accessible. Made in Australia, Trinity Castors are the world's only castors controlled electronically, manually, or automatically with real-time motion sensing technology that adapts to movement. Intuitive steering is optional. Castors detect the direction of motion and engage the steering at the head or foot end of the bed as appropriate. Fallshaw's 3-in-1 advanced braking system featuring 3 functions in a single caster. Switch between directional lock for controlled steering, swivel mode for effortless manoeuvrability, total brake for complete stability when stationary. Automatic braking prevents unintended movement, keeping beds stable when patients are light and reducing fall risks. Healthcare equipment manufacturers gain full design freedom by connecting castors via electrical cables rather than mechanical linkages. Designed to replace clunky, loud mechanical braking systems with quiet, effortless control. Centralised control helps make transport smoother and safer, reducing strain on staff. Non-electronic versions are also available. Built to last with a 3-year warranty. For more information, visit the website